Hey everybody, John here. See me the cows in the background. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit what farming is like over here in Maine for just a day. Right now I'm moving fences, setting things up. We got chickens to do and sheep later, and then we're gonna set in some fence posts. It's kind of foggy, but as you see, the cows are doing all right. They're enjoying themselves. Hello. This is one of the bulls, the baby bull. That's the daddy bull right back there. And there's a mama. Hi. Enjoying some water? It's not ready yet. I'm gonna let you drink though. This is why you always have a bunch of fences set up. We got an escape artist right here. Luckily he's gone. She is already in the pen that set up for the next day, so we're gonna let it slide. Come sheep, run. Look what I found under the water. Little snaky. Hello, snaky. It's a gardener snake. I believe, or garter snake. They eat the crickets. He's hiding now. We are back at our little farm right now. You hear the ducks and a goose. You could turn this around. That's a picture. There they are. There's the. So Kid and I have some duck eggs we're gonna go sell to the store right now. And that's where we're heading. I'll show you guys the bunnies later. They had babies a few weeks ago. They're actually right at the selling time. So I'll show you that and I'll be right back. We're over here at the farm. Gonna bring some scratch feed for the chickens. What you gotta say about that, Kate?
I'm excited to see the chicken girls.
Oh yeah, it's later in the day. You can see the cows are starting to sleep, sit under trees and relax. They cleared that whole tree. That tree had leaves this morning. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's a tree back there.
Do you want me to shut this?
Yeah, you don't have to follow me.
Hi, everybody.
Who wants some seeds? Huh?
Hi, ladies. Oh, you taking a dirt bath? Look, these girls taking a dirt bath, getting all clean. Hi. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's just the geese were coming towards you. Yeah? You remember us? They're checking you out. Yeah? About to be some happy chickens right here. He does not know what to make of what's happening here.
Huh?
He does not know what to make of this.
The goose?
Yeah.
Get some corn.
Yeah? Are you happy?